Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is just going to be a review on a hairdryer. As you can see, my hair is really soaking wet and it is for this. Now this is an, sorry about that, infrared hairdryer. Have I got it the right way? No, I didn't put it the right way, but that is the right way there. Probably you see my phone in the picture. Right, okay, and it's by Infrared Hairdryer by Jinri. It is 1800 watts, and it's the faster dryer, and it's kinder to heat. Sorry about this, it's my son kicking off. I'll have to give him the music. Don't just. Right, okay, and it's also hydrate and condition, but we're going to just open the box and have a look at it. And I'm going to also time to see how long it takes to dry my hair. Right, okay, so we're just opening the box right now. And just going to have a quick look at the instructions. It's warranty safety instructions. And it also has a cleaning guide on it. And it also has operating instructions, and this is the bit I want to show you because it tells you all about the points of the hairdryer. Right, okay, so just taking it out of the bag now. Right, so it comes like this, and it has a warning thing on it, warning tag. Tells you not to put it in the bathroom or anywhere where there's water. So we're just going to open this up now and take it up. And it comes with this handy wire tag thing. So just opening it up. And then I'm going to plug it in really. Right. So just be 2 minutes while I plug this in. Oh, and first of all it comes with this, so you must take that off and probably this. Okay, so I've plugged it in and we're back to this now, which is number one. As you see, that is the LED iconic light, which is just there.
Powering on.
And sorry about this. Number two is the integrated infrared light, which is in there. Number three is the cold shut button, which that's it there. And number four is your temperature settings, which is that's them there. And number five is the speed settings, which is, where is number five? Speed settings, which is that one there. Number six is the 9-foot cord. Wow, that's amazing. You get a load of cord and it's 9 foot. Number seven is the grill release. Okay, so we're up to number seven, which is the grill release, which that's it there. And number eight is the hanging hook, so you can hang it up. Right, okay, so we're just I'm going to start my timer on it, which will be, I'm just trying to find my timer. Right, so okay, so just going to start the timer right now. Clock, start, see that's it there, right. So I've plugged it all in, haven't I, and we're ready to go. So start the timer right now, and we're going to set this off on a, try it on a high heat. Yeah. See, it's really powerful. My hair is extremely thick hair, and the red shining on my hair and how fast it's getting dry. Now I'm going to try on a low one. And that's quite cold. So we put it on that one. It also comes with some attachments. You also get one of these, which is for giving your hair volume, and this one is for straightening really and getting to the roots better. So that's that one. Right, so we'll try it with this one, and all you do is you just clip on. So simple, clip off, clip on like that. And then we'll just set it off. And then you just dry your hair like that. And then we'll just take this one off. You gotta be careful because this one gets a bit hot. So, and we're gonna try this one now. It just clips in like that, and set it off. Impressed with this hairdryer. It literally took me about, I've now got to knock off a few minutes for the door, answering the door, and as you see it is on now 10 minutes and 31, so knock a few minutes off that. I'm sorry if that's my son in the video. It would be about 7 minutes. Now normally this would take me about 20 minutes to do. And so I'm impressed with it. I got this sent to me by, who was it that sent it? I can't remember who sent it, but this was sent to me, so for a honest review. So I wanted to try it because I have really thick hair, and I will purchase this. This is absolutely fantastic, and you can purchase it on Amazon for £29, and it really is well worth it, and I'm just unputting my hair right. So yes, so I would definitely put that in your basket and buy it. It really is good. Right, okay, so I'm going to end this video now, and please give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all again soon.